So this is when you have an unrecognized disk. I've tried everything. I've done it in safe mode. I've updated the software. I've tilted the system sideways. I've rebuilt the index or whatever it is. Still not having any luck. I've had lots of reviews online and nobody has a legit answer. My disc is clean, no scratches, no dust, no dirt, no nothing. So I have some sprayer. Some results that I've seen online were that the laser itself is messed up. So by putting this, you can see you can get it in there. I'm going to just put that in there and then just spray around. Just for good measure. Kind of get up, trying to get down a little. Just the internal. And hopefully that's enough. See if it pops back up. I'll be damned. Look at that.